Stop scrolling. Have you ever heard these lines? I'm not ready for a serious relationship right now. Or maybe she leaves you on read, ignores your DMs, and you feel like you've just bought a one-way ticket to the friend zone. If you're tired of guessing games, stay tuned. What is up, kittens? It's your girl, Alexa Kealoha. Thanks for blowing up the likes on my last video. Today is my birthday weekend, so let's celebrate by solving your dating drama. Here are 7 reasons why she's playing hard to get and exactly what to do about it. Let's go. 1. Mood swings and me time. First off, girls can change their vibe instantly. Yesterday she was cool, today she's cold. It might feel bipolar, but it's usually just life. When Anna gave you her number, she was feeling happy and chill. But when she got home, reality hit. Laundry, exams, Netflix, or just wanting to do nothing. She might think, why did I even give him my number? I don't have the energy for this. It's not you, it's her schedule. 2. The thrill of the chase. Here's the truth. A woman's biggest fear is looking too easy. She wants to test you. She wants to see how far you're willing to go. Girls love the chase, and honestly, we kind of enjoy watching you work for it. Don't hate the player, hate the game. 3. You're not her type, or so she thinks. Maybe she's obsessed with bad boys with tattoos, or gym rats with massive muscles. Some girls, like Sarah, are stuck on a specific type. But honestly, chasing a guy just for his biceps is silly. Does it mean you need to get a sleeve tattoo or live in the gym? No. If she's superficial, she's not the one. 4. Past trauma and trust issues. She might not be texting back because she's scared. Maybe she had a toxic ex or a bad breakup recently, and she's terrified you'll hurt her too. She's projecting her past onto you. You need to show her you're a safe space, not a red flag. 5. Zero chemistry. I talked about this before. The spark. The chemistry. If the vibe isn't there, it's just not there. If she's bored, not listening, or replying with one word, it means the chemistry lab is closed. It's not your fault, science just wasn't on your side. 6. The it's complicated situation. Are you 100% sure she's single? Maybe she's ghosting you because her ex is back in town, or her boyfriend just returned from the army or a business trip. Always check the relationship status. 7. Silence is an answer. Sometimes you just gotta shoot your shot and ask, hey, is everything okay? If she doesn't reply, silence is also an answer. It means move on. You will find another woman, not like Kate, but someone even hotter and more talkative. So, what do you do if you're fooling yourself? Here are 3 major tips to fix your mindset. Tip 1. Energy attracts energy. Trust yourself. Ever notice guys who aren't supermodels but have tons of girls around them? It's called charisma. They invest energy into themselves, hobbies, sports, intellect. When you focus on your life, people naturally want to be part of it. Be interesting to yourself, and you'll be interesting to her. Tip 2. Self-respect is key. Never, ever criticize yourself. Don't compare yourself to other dudes on Instagram. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. If you chase a girl who doesn't want you, you lose value. Remember, the girl is not the main goal in your life. You are the main character. Be happy with yourself first. Tip 3. Check your vibes. Don't be a downer. Are you a negative guy? Do you complain about everything? Nobody likes a Debbie Downer. Girls, and guys too, hate hanging out with people who drain their energy. A girl wants a guy who makes her laugh and lifts her mood. Try this. Go one day without complaining. Watch how your life changes. Bonus. Tip. Adopt the abundance mindset. Be a seductor. Someone who genuinely loves women and socializing. Don't fixate on just one person immediately. Date multiple people until you find the one who truly matches your vibe. That way, you choose the best. Alexa, my handsome ones, since it's my birthday weekend, the best gift you can give me is a like on this video. Let's aim for 7,000 likes and I'll drop a video on why girls love bad boys. Tell me in the comments, do you carry your girl in your arms? If not, why? Let's talk about it. I hope these tips boost your mood and your dating game. Remember, Alexa Kealoha is with you. Find me on Instagram at Alexa Kealoha. I just posted a fire new pic. Go check it out. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode. Share this with your friends who are currently being ghosted. See you soon. Peace out.